Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a braid out on relaxed hair. This is my hair, it is relaxed. Don't come at me because I love it like this. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. Alright. So I'm first just seeing where I want to part my hair. I decided to part it in the middle this time around. Looks good. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair on the side because that's the section I'm gonna be working with first. Obviously you want to go ahead and comb out your hair. Make sure there's no tangles or knots or nappiness going on. And we're just going to go ahead and get started with parting it down the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a duckbill clip and put the rest of my hair in the back. Your part does not need to be perfect. As you can see, my part is looking a little janky, but that's alright. I think on each section of my hair, I did 4 braids on each side. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys right now. So for this style, I just used the Lotta Body wrapping style spray stuff. I put it in a spray bottle from Walmart for like 97 cents. And I just started spraying that stuff on my head. So I'll go ahead and spray and comb. That's just the routine. And I'm just doing some simple braids, y'all. It's no French braids, cornrows, none of that. You know, I know sometimes it's hard for people to do those type of braids because it's even hard for me, believe it or not. Just gonna go ahead and start braiding down. Braid, braid, braid. And once I get a little bit more than halfway down, I'm gonna take a perm rod and roll the ends in the perm rod. You're just gonna go ahead and secure it and you're good to go. So as you can see, I just started using my fingers to do the sections because I feel like the less neat it looks, the better. So that way when you're going to loosen up your curls, you're not going to have to do too much. And I did go ahead and detangle my hair with the It's a 10 spray. This is the original kind. That's like my favorite stuff to use on my hair because my hair is really, really thick and it gets really nappy and tangled up in certain places. So that just does wonders for my hair. Okay, so I just finished the front of my hair. Gonna take a quick little wine break, you know. I love the alcohol. Nice and refreshing, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead to the back and start up on that. So I'm just gonna do a section in the back. I did a total of, I want to say, 3 sections in the back. And all of them had about 3 or 4 braids going across, except for this section, it only had 2. But it's just up to you on how you want to do it. If you want to have bigger sections or smaller sections, I just do what's gonna look right, because yeah, it's my head and it's your guys' hair, so do what you feel. This is just a little insight on what I do. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this for you guys. And I just slept on mine, so as of now, I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep after I'm done. And I wake up to this. This is now morning time, and I'm gonna go ahead and take out my perm rods. If your hair is not dry completely, just go ahead and blow dry it, because if you try to take these out when your hair is still damp, it's just gonna look a mess. All your time will be wasted. Trust me, I've done it before. So now all my perm rods are out. I'm gonna go ahead and start unraveling all the braids. Oops, I forgot one in the back. Alright, so all of the braids are out of my head. And now here comes the fun part. This is my favorite part, is going ahead and loosening up the curls. I just like to flip my head up and just loosen up the curls, just shaking through them. That's how I like to do mine. Some people will take a pick or a comb, but I get too wild with that, so I just use my hands. And I'm just going to shake, shake, shake until I like how they look. Alright, y'all, this is the finished product. I'm popping. Oh man, I haven't done my hair in this so long. I looks good. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching.
I got a brand new coupe, I got a brand new Rari, yeah. I got a brand new boat, I put my ex in park.